Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Tzachi, and in my channel you will find reviews of new and vintage Apple products. So, if you are an Apple freak, my channel is definitely your home. In today's video, I will unbox the new Apple iPhone 13 Pro Max that Apple announced in September 2021. Soon I will upload more videos regarding its new camera and 120Hz screen, so subscribe now to my channel to receive all my updates. I don't care what changes Apple makes on the iPhones every year, as I replace it anyway to the newest model to keep the iPhone's value closer to the original price in which it was sold. That way I don't lose a lot of money. But this is my way. Let me know in the comment below how often you replace your iPhone. And now let's dive right into the iPhone 13 Pro Max and unbox it. Look how this color, Sierra Blue, so amazing. Here we have the iPhone itself with its huge system camera. Inside the envelope we have the regular documents and the Apple logo sticker. We also have the USB-C lightning cable, and of course we have no charger brick, but that's not new information. With the iPhone, I bought a MagSafe clear case and screen protector. So first thing I'm going to do before I activate my iPhone is to prevent it from being scratched. So hold on. And now let's turn on the iPhone and go through the initial stage quickly. As you can see, Apple shrank the notch by 20% from the iPhone 12 model, and this is one more step perhaps to a full screen? Maybe. Okay guys, that's all for this video. Additional interesting review regarding this iPhone will come very soon. Friends, thanks for watching, and I really appreciate it if you don't forget to subscribe to my channel. This really helps me grow on YouTube. Bye bye!